What's up, guys? Welcome back to Chalub Lab. I'm your fellow Brazilian witness to the massive Chinese car invasion in Brazil. If in our previous video we practically broke YouTube talking about the BYD Song Pro phenomenon, today the stakes are much higher. The situation is a lot more serious. The hybrid market in Brazil has turned into a literal technical battlefield, and GWM wasn't about to just sit back and watch. Many people got confused when the brand announced the Haval H6 PHEV19 and asked me, "Chalub, didn't we already have the PHEV35 and the HEV2? Yes, we did. But GWM needed a sniper to target exactly those who are torn between BYD's midsize SUV and GWM's luxury. The PHEV19 is, technically speaking, a surgical aim adjustment. It takes the H6 body and luxury we already know, but brings a battery and powertrain configuration tailor-made for those who want a plug-in but don't need the all-wheel drive or the raw brute force of the AWD model. It is the car of absolute balance. But did it lose its spark on this battery diet? Stick with me until the end, because I'm going to show you a technical detail about the battery that no one tells you, and it could decide your purchase in the next few minutes. Before we dive into the details, let's clear up the doubt that stops many people from buying. HEV2 or PHEV19. The HEV2 is the conventional hybrid. It doesn't plug in and focuses on urban practicality with its 243 horsepower. Now, the PHEV19 we're dissecting is your passport to the world of plug-ins, offering much more torque and a real chance to drive in pure electric mode. Now, take a look at this exterior I'm showing you. The H6 PHEV19 maintains the star matrix visual identity, but look at the sophistication of this grille. It has three-dimensional elements that seem to float and features an active grille shutter system, which opens and closes automatically to optimize airflow and engine temperature. The headlights are true works of engineering, with full LED matrix technology composed of intelligent projectors that read the road in real time. The rear features that smoked light bar that spans the entire trunk lid, giving it the look of a premium European SUV. The wheels are 19-inch alloys with an exclusive diamond-cut finish and 235/55 R19 tires, ideal for absorbing the impacts of our roads. Notice the detail on the door handles and the black piano finish on the window frames. When we open the trunk, we see the electric system with a hands-free function and a 560-liter capacity, surpassing the Song Pro in volume and loading. Now let me tell you something few people noticed. I analyzed the channel data today, and 99% of you who watch my videos and follow the lab are still not subscribed. Guys, our community has grown a lot. We've passed 550, but our real goal now is 1,000 subscribers, so YouTube can unlock all the technical analysis tools for us. If you like knowing the truth that the salesman hides, click the subscribe button right now. It costs you nothing and helps Chalub Lab bring more and more cars for real-world testing. Let's get inside the car now and focus on the interior, which is where the H6 truly distances itself from the competition. Where the rival uses simpler materials, the H6 delivers pure luxury. The dashboard is entirely covered in soft-touch materials with high-density components that prevent interior rattles over the long term. The floating center console is covered in leather with the exclusive bronze urban finish, which is the visual signature of this PHEV19 version. The infotainment system is the brain of the car, a giant 12.3-inch screen with the new Coffee OS 3, which is extremely fluid and intuitive. We have intelligent voice commands that control everything from the dual-zone air conditioning temperature to the panoramic sunroof. The sound system features 8 high-fidelity speakers and a powerful subwoofer. The seats are upholstered in high-quality eco-leather, with electric adjustments for both driver and passenger, and the driver also gets 3-level ventilation and lumbar support, essential for comfort on long trips. The panoramic sunroof extends to the back seat, where the 2,738mm wheelbase allows adults to travel with their legs crossed and the floor is completely flat. But let's talk heavy mechanics. The PHEV19 combines a 1.5 turbo engine with an electric motor on the front axle, delivering 326 combined horsepower and a brutal 54 kilograms force of torque, which is about 398 pounds-feet. In the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour sprint, that's 0 to 62, it does it in just 7.6 seconds, while the Song Pro struggles a bit more to get under 8 seconds. The 2-speed DHT transmission is the big secret to its efficiency. It has a clutch that couples the combustion engine directly to the wheels at cruising speeds, reducing consumption and noise. The 19 kilowatt-hour battery guarantees an electric range of approximately 74 kilometers in the in-metro cycle, about 46 miles, or up to 115 kilometers in the WLTP cycle, allowing you to use the car as a pure electric in your daily routine. And a huge differentiator, the PHEV19 accepts DC fast charging up to 33 kilowatts, something extremely rare in hybrids in this price range. Regarding safety, it's a technological bunker. 6 airbags and a full ADAS package with autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go function that actually keeps the car centered in the lane. An incredible technical highlight is the invisible hood function with 540 degrees vision that shows exactly what is under the wheels on the screen. Regarding price and maintenance, the PHEV19 is strategically positioned in the 249,000 reais range, roughly $45,000. It's a higher investment than the Song Pro, but you are paying for a more robust platform, higher torque, and a premium finish. GWM offers a 5-year full warranty and 8 years for the battery, with fixed-price services that are extremely transparent. Chalub Lab's verdict: the PHEV19 is the perfect balance and the rival that gives the competition nightmares. And you? Have you decided on the cost-benefit of the BYD, or did the refinement of the GWM convince you? Comment down below, leave a like, and subscribe now to help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video here at the lab.